Good morning, student. Today I will explain about the fourth physical feature of Asia. This fourth physical feature of Asia is called Great River Valleys. The Great River Valleys are shown here in sky blue color. This area is known as the Great River Valleys. So, first of all, you see the location. These river valleys are situated between the central highland mountain system and southern plateau. This plateau. Great River Valleys is situated in between. And many large rivers which start from mountain regions, plateau regions, and few rivers from south also, plateau side, southern plateau side. They are coming and they have brought huge amount of silt and deposited here. In this way, these very large fertile plains have been formed. These plains are called Great River Valleys because this area is made up of fertile soil, large area. So these area are also one of the most populated regions of the world. So this is the Great River Valleys. Tigris Euphrates Valley. This area, which is just above the Persian Gulf, here Tigris Euphrates Valley are situated. It means in this region two rivers are present. One is Tigris. Tigris is like this. Tigris. And here is Euphrates. So this river Tigris Euphrates, this is Tigris and this is Euphrates. Old name Mesopotamian plain. Present Iraq. This is called present Iraq area. So this is first region. Great River Valleys made by Tigris Euphrates. Next is this side, Indus system. Indus River start from central highland mountain area, Mansarovar side lake, and it flows through Pakistan and India. So large area are found in Pakistan side, plain area, and few regions, small area is found in India side. So this is another river valley system, fertile area. This you know Ganga Valley. Although about Ganga Valley not given in paragraph, but Ganga system. Ganga start from Himalaya and flow this side. So this is called Ganga plain. This and this river is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra flows from Tibet and flows eastward and turn into south. And India and Bangladesh, plain of India and Bangladesh, both are formed by the Brahmaputra rivers. And if you come to China side, this river is Yangtze, this river is Huanghe, and one more river is flowing in this side, Sikiang. So this is Yangtze, Yangtze, and this is Huanghe, and this is Sikiang, Sikiang. So these three rivers also start from central mountain system region, this, and they flow eastward through China. So Chinese plain, Great Chinese plain is formed by these rivers. Yangtze is the longest river of Asia. Yangtze. Its length is 6,300 kilometer. Full river is not shown here. Full river is here. So this is China side. And now you are looking three rivers here. So this river is Irrawaddy. Irrawaddy flows through Myanmar, and this is Salween. Salween also flows through Myanmar and Thailand. And Mekong, the another river is Mekong. These three rivers flow through Indochina Plateau, this area, and they form plains. So these are the fourth region which are very populated. They are made up of plain fertile soil, and this soil is brought by many rivers: Tigris, Euphrates, Mesopotamian plain, Indus and five river, Ravi, Jhelum, Satluj, Bias, Chenab, five rivers, Indus plain, and this Ganga plain, this Brahmaputra plain, Bangladesh and India, Irrawaddy, Salween, Mekong in Indochina, and Sikyong, Yangtze, and Huangho. These are the river system, river region of Asia. So fourth physical feature is over here. Next physical feature, which is last physical feature, island of Asia, will be explained in next video. Meanwhile, you prepare. Thank you. Have a good day.